Rebel Canners, teaching all kinds of food preservation, especially the old ways. We all can use a little bit more of the old ways these days. So I grabbed this $7 on clearance microgreen grow kit from Walmart for the indoor garden growing challenge. And it's got these mats so you don't have to use any soil. The seeds come right with it, which is great, but I really wanted the self-wicking trays. And so that's the whole reason I bought this kit, because I can use it over and over again. And the trays were worth the $7 I paid. I'll leave a link below. You can pick some up at Walmart yourself. And I'm just gonna get this started. The seeds tend to fall off the mat, so be mindful of that. Get them back on there, back on top. I had to do some creative stuff after this video to get them all back on there and spread out. My kit has been rolling around for 6 months, and so the seeds are all over the place. So I got them dispersed evenly. I went ahead and put my water on, and they went all over the place again. So yeah, you know, would I buy it again? Probably not. For that price, probably, definitely. For just the trays are worth it. So we've got the water on it. We're going to go ahead and put the cover back on so they're darkened after I get these seeds all spread out evenly. But that's on me. Nothing to do with the kit. That wasn't a kit failure. That was just my application failure. And so get them all spread out there so it'll grow better. And it's taken me a little bit of a time, but it's worth it in the end, because you don't want to have any big clumps where things aren't growing and big clumps where there's a lot of things in the same space. So there we go. Got it done. Put the lid back on. This lid doubles as a darkening cover, and we will show you how they come out. Check back in 10 days for the update. Save 10% on superb canning lids and canning jars. Use the code RebelCanners10. The link is below. Hey, be sure you're subscribed, because sometimes YouTube does some funny things with that. And be sure to hit the like button on your way out.